Hi, I'm Bonnie with WTI, and this is my Furinno turn and tube 5-tier multi-purpose shelf display rack. I'm going to be using it for books, but I'm just so excited because here is something I can put together. After I did a much harder project, now I see that this is fairly simple.
Okay, so I have the clock here. I'm going to time myself. Let's do this. So here is all the poles are the same, so no problem with that. And you just take the screwy end and put it on there, and then you put this little thing on the bottom that looks like a foot, like it's long, and it's not the top thing that looks like a plug. So I just put that in, screws right in. Very handy, very easy. Then, after you do that for 3 times, it's going to be 4, you make sure it's tight. And then here it is, almost done. Now we can see this beautiful bookcase. Each shelf can hold 15 pounds. And I have nothing like that here. It took me 10 minutes to put this together. Probably would take you less time. And it is elegant, and it is beautiful. And that's my point of view.